In the last few sessions, we have seen how Vault Agent helps us for certificate renewal. We have seen it via CLI, via Terraform, and via Python. In this session, we will be focusing on how we can generate or issue a certificate via Java language. So the source code looks like this. I'm maintaining this application.properties where I'll be keeping my vault details. I'm using the dev mode here, and this will be my certificate role. This will be my certificate name, common name. So this was, I have already set it. This is my role, and these are the entities associated. And if you check it from UI, so you can see this is PKI int and this is my role. So I'm using a Maven to build this Java file. Here my pom.xml, and here is my app.java. So in this Java, I'm just reading this application.properties for vault details. I'm doing my, here I'm reading all the vault properties, and then I'm doing my vault login here. And then as soon as the vault login is done, using this PKI intermediate issuer, I'll issue my certificate. So I'm passing my role here, my CNAME here, and if other details are there, and then I'm saving this file. So I'll be saving this file like using file writer. Okay, so yeah, I'll be following this mvn clean, mvn compile, and then we'll package it. And once the package is available, then I'll run it via java-jar, and we'll check my certificate directory. So right now my certificate directory is empty, so I'm doing now mvn clean. So it will clear out this target directory, and then mvn compile just to check any issues are there in compilation, during compilation. Now mvn package, so it will create one jar file at this location. Okay, let this complete. Okay, jar has been created, you can see. Now let me run this file. So as we saw, that certificate directory was empty. So now I'm just running this, so you can see login is successful. Now it has created this cert file. So let's have a look. Go to certificate. Okay, here is my issuing CA hierarchy, which is already done. And here is my certificate I can make use of. TTL was of 1 minute. Okay, so you can see 44 to 40, I mean it should be 45.49, but 30 seconds get added extra. I'm not sure about it why, but TTL works. So in this session we saw how we have generated a certificate via Java language. In the next we will see how Vault Agent helps us to retrieve PKI or KV as a Windows service, and then followed by the SSH. So stay with me. Bye. Thanks for watching my video. Please like, comment and subscribe. This will help me to work on myself.